Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I'm out here on Camp Humphreys in South Korea. Just got off of work about an hour ago. Pulled 24-hour duty and then even sent one of my soldiers back to the States. These damn snakeheads, though, they're addicting. They're so much fun to catch. They're freaking dinosaurs. So I'm going to see what I could catch out here this morning. So stay tuned. Oh, you asshole. First cast. Well, the crane's here. Ooh, up by 2. Healthy little guy. No, you caught this one before. He's got no eye. He's got no eye. You caught him before. In the bank. In the bank. You were blind. Oh, look at where the hook's at. Did I? How the fuck did that happen?
He got too close.
No, I felt him bite it.
Yeah.
That the same one?
No.
Yeah, it is.
No way.
Is it?
He bit in the eye.
No, that's the one I got yesterday. No, look at the side. See how his eye's there, but it's not?
Yeah.
That's the motherfucker I got yesterday.
Wow.
Hello again.